Hey everybody, welcome back. On today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make delicious taquitos enfrijolados. They're so good. I love anything that has beans. These also have chorizo, melting cheese. If you guys have never had them, stay tuned and I'll show you guys how to make them. For this recipe, I'm gonna be using half of a small white onion. Chop it into very small pieces, just like this. We're also gonna be using 1 garlic clove and we're gonna put it in the garlic press. And we could just add it in with the onions. I'm also gonna dice 1 chile serrano. For the chiles, you can actually remove the seeds if you don't want it to be as spicy, but I actually like to keep the seeds. I enjoy when my food is spicy. But you know what, now that I remember, my son's gonna have some and he can't really handle a lot of spicy. So I'm gonna take out the seeds. Oh my God, it is gonna be spicy because I can already smell it. Va a estar bravo este chile. I'm also gonna be using half of a lettuce. Now over here on the stove, we're gonna prepare the filling for the tacos. I'm gonna set my pan on medium-high heat. Once the pan is hot, I'm gonna add the chorizo. I'm using half a pound of chorizo. I'm gonna be breaking it apart. Now that the chorizo is cooking evenly, we're gonna add the onion and the garlic. Mix it well and make sure that it's cooking evenly. The chorizo is almost ready. It's now time to add the chile serrano. Give it another mix and we're gonna cook it for about 2 more minutes. Our chorizo is now done. It's time to add the beans. I'm using Peruano beans, but you can use any type of bean you like. I'm adding 16 ounces. These beans are from a previous video that I made. If you go check on my channel, you'll see it. It's called How to Make Frijoles de la Olla. As the beans start boiling, this is the time to start smashing them. The chorizo and the beans are now mixed. I'm gonna be adding a baked potato so that it can make the texture thicker. We don't want to have a watery filling for the tacos. The filling is now ready and this is the consistency that we're looking for. Thick and perfect to start filling our tacos. I put my tortillas in the microwave for about a minute so they can get soft and they don't break while we're folding them. I'm gonna add the filling. You can add as much as you'd like. Then I'm adding a slice of cheese. I'm using Oaxaca cheese, but you're welcome to use any melting cheese you'd like. And then we do the same for the rest of the tacos. I've set my pan on medium heat. Once the oil is ready, we're gonna start frying our tacos. After about 30 seconds, we're gonna flip each taco. Okay, tacos are ready. And we'll set them on the side. We'll do the same for the rest of the tacos. Now we're gonna prepare our tacos. Okay, we're gonna add some lettuce, lechuguita, and some salsita that I made earlier. It's salsa de tomate con chile de árbol, perfect for these kind of tacos. You can find this salsa video on my channel. Look at how delicious this looks. And we're adding a little bit of salsa mexicana. A little bit of crema mexicana, I'm sorry. Del hambre que tengo ya no sé ni qué estoy echando. Okay. And there you have it, delicious taquitos enfrijolados. Okay guys, this is my favorite part. Con el hambre que tengo. Cheers. Súper delicioso. My sister is over here judging me. All right guys, that's it for this one. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Any suggestions, write them down below in the comments and I'll make sure to read them. I'll see you next time. Bye.